have to look at you so I can get the timing.
Sure, I'll give it a go. I have no idea if it'll fit what's already there.
Yeah!
For fuck's sake.
Perfect.
I don't know whether I was thinking, should we cut out when we get to the bedroom?
That's so bad.
When we get to the bedroom, do we cut out and stop?
Sam's face. I did catch a little glimpse of Sam just turning towards the keyboard.
Oh. I got caught off
Make
by
us
the
all
music
choir.
as well. Yeah.
I think it should cut off somewhere before then.
Oh yeah, that's good though.
Pitch it down, add some reverb.
Beautiful.
Solid.
Pitch it up.
You can hear them getting tired. Someone
Yeah.
says, yeah.
The enthusiasm definitely
Yeah.
wears off.
That's so amazingly bad. That's what we aim for here.
Oh,
on
that's it.
Foleyship.
That's our motto. Oh, that's creepy.
That's not
Like
what
a
I
dog.
That's not what I intend. And I intend not.
That's horrible. Oh. Imagine you leave a recorder in like a haunted
What
house.
if we
and this is
only
what you
had those though, rather than the high ones? That makes it creepy.
get. Makes it. It's so horrible.
Yeah, it's meant to be creepy.
But it sounds like
Sounds
a
like something
fucking
from like
dying
Silent
dog.
Hill. Imagine
Sounds
like
like-
Pyramid Head coming out to you.
Sounds like I'm beating a dog to death. It really sounds like a dog. No, poor puppy.
Whale sounds.
exactly the same kind of effect.
I like.
Sounds like a seal.
I think we keep it as it was with reverb and music. We're not having a dog choir.
Let Sam do his magic.
Okay, sorry, you're right. You're right. Sorry. I'll leave you
Sam's
to
the
it.
expert.
Okay, you go. You go.
Oh dear.